Welcome to Car Trend, where today we unleash the beast, the 2025 Dodge Super D500. Reviving one of Dodge's most iconic names, the new Super D500 is pure American muscle, reimagined with modern technology and brutal performance for a new era of drivers who demand power, style, and dominance on every road. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Super D500 commands respect. Its aggressive, wide stance, bold sculpted lines, and blacked-out front grille create a presence that's impossible to ignore. Sleek LED headlights slice through the darkness, while functional hood scoops and aerodynamic bodywork hint at the monster lurking underneath. Dodge offers striking colors like Inferno Red, Phantom Black, and a metallic steel gray, ensuring the Super D500 stands out whether it's parked or in motion. Beneath the hood roars a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, delivering an earth-shaking 720 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a lightning-quick 8-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, this powerhouse launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Launch control, adaptive suspension, and active exhaust valves make every drive feel like a track day. The Super D500 is built to dominate highways, race tracks, and any street it dares to touch. Inside, the cabin is designed for those who demand performance and luxury in one package. Premium leather and Alcantara seats hug you tightly, while carbon fiber accents, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and metal paddle shifters emphasize its racing roots. A massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster delivers real-time performance data, while a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a booming Harman Kardon premium audio setup. When it comes to safety, Dodge hasn't cut any corners. The 2025 Super D500 comes packed with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Whether you're ripping through back roads or navigating city streets, you're backed by the latest in driving technology. The 2025 Dodge Super D500 isn't just a car, it's a legend reborn. It's for the bold, the fearless, and those who refuse to be ignored. Dodge has captured the spirit of old-school muscle and infused it with cutting-edge performance, making the Super D500 a true masterpiece for modern muscle enthusiasts.